guys, welcome to a tutorial of how to draw. We'll do a human and a wolf.
Okay, first you draw a circle, and if you want a mask on yours, you can either start from right here or right here. I'm going to start from here. Next you guys draw a mask, which I already colored in. You can draw a body if you want. Next you can do the legs like this. Next you can make the legs however way you want it to be. Then next you can erase this stuff. And you could draw the shoes however you want them to be. And then you have to draw the knees, which is just an underline. If you want shorts or pants, you can either erase this and draw pants, or you can have shorts. If you want a belt, you can make one. Make this little square right here. So what it should look like. And you can color in the pockets if you want to. You can draw any emoji you want for it. I drew a smiley face and a pizza. And for the shirt, you can do any type of design you want. But we're going to skip that for now. We're going to go into the face. You're going to go right here part of the body, and go like this. Like that. Then you have to erase the stuff that's inside of it. And that's what it should look like.
She's really amazing. They just didn't give her enough time.
Why don't you go down to the steel? Why don't you go down there where it says something?
Okay, next you can either open her eyes, and you can do any design you want. I'm going to do her eyes closed. Like that, you can color it in. You can do your nose however you want it. You can do it like that or like that. Do the other half of the eye that's covered. Then next, if you want to put blush, you can, but I'm going to put both lines right there, and you can start going like this. Or either you could put them right here. And we're gonna go back to the hair, so you can do anything you want for the hair. But I'm gonna do this.
No, honestly. And she, I mean, her availability is so limited, but especially because
And erase that part.
guys that. And I know how to coach parents before, I don't know how to.
And then you make this whole line all the way down to here. Or you can make it more longer. I'm gonna make my girl have short hair. Okay, let's fix the mask. Well, actually, I'm gonna make her have long hair. Do this. Then you can go at this point of the bangs. Go all the way down from there. So the hair goes down as well. You can do whatever you want for the background. This one's gonna be the wolf version. And you could start from here, or how much you want your ear, or how big you want your ears to be. Go from there, all the way down to there. Then you start from this side, go to here, and make mine a little bit more higher. And you can take right here, this part, go all the way right there. Do the same thing to the other side. You could do the tail however you want it to be. I'm gonna go like this. Make your tail go like this. Oops. And that's how you draw the wolf version. Oh yeah, sorry I forgot about putting eyebrows. So go from here, and you can go right there, like that. Or you can go like this and yeah. I'm gonna go like that. Do it to the other side as well. And color them in. And there you go. And then you can color this in. And this is what your paper should look like when you're all done. Bye-bye. This is the second part of the tutorial. The same thing, you draw the head, but this time we're going to be drawing a human this time. So, we're not going to do the same thing that we did last time. We're going to straight go to the body. We're going to do a different type now. We're going to put this one in a dress. And that's how you put your dress either way you want it to be. And we're going to do the same thing we did last time, put the behind the back, or the arms. And you put a line right here for like the gloves. And after you're done doing that, you can go right here, go like that. And if you want a belt, you can draw a belt. I am going to. That's what it should look like for now.
I like your shirt.
Thank you. Okay, then you draw this line. And then, without drawing the other way we did this one, you can just go straight to legs and go like this. Oh, whoops, I made that too long. Oh, whoops. And then, after you're done drawing the legs, you can do any type of shoes. Like last time, I'm gonna do the same shoes. Same thing like last time. The knees. And there you go. There's the whole body. And then you can draw this right there. Go like this. And then you can go like this. And you can erase the dot if you want to. I did. That's how it looks like so far. Then we're going to move on to the face now. And this time we're going, well, this time we're actually going to go to the hair. Do almost the same thing. And then we're going to go all the way down here, or how long you want it to be. And then you can draw this part of it. And you can draw the ears, so erase this much of the hair. Well, the hair's that close. And actually put back that part. You're supposed to use this part of the hair, so none of it gets in the way of the hair. Okay, so there you go. Draw your hair like that. Draw your hair however you want it to be. But I'm going to give her cross earrings. And then you can go like that. Then do the same thing. Then draw the hair back. Now we're going to go into the face. Do the same thing like last time, like this. And go all the way down like the headline, like that. That's the only part that we're going to do for that. We're going to do the eyes open this time. And go like this.
I was there 4 days a week, and then I had some difficult things happen in my personal life, so I asked my agency to reduce my time.
It can be like that if you want it to be.
Filling in.
And then you draw right here,
And I was at Lifelock.
that part, and color it in. Just like that. But this side's covered for now. We're going to do a different nose. And it's going to be like that. Actually, I'm gonna make her eat a cookie. You guys can put whatever you want it to be. And then for the inside of it, you can do whatever design you want.
That's one of my fours. I've got 3.
I did the star. Color whatever you did inside the eye.
I think everybody has the number 21 because I feel like they'll just come in and
then you can go like that. Put the blush on the side.
little separate are those 2 in the end.
And then after that, you can put any accessories on the head you want to. You can put a bow. Put that, like for doing the bow too. That. Put in the bow. And you're done. This is what both of them is. Number 1, the wolf version, and number 2, the human one.
This is also sponsored by Miss Knoll
Our
and
teacher.
Dr. Pepper.